Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Kilo token. Now the Kilo token just went live for pre-market trading today on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Kilo token and talk about how you can get the pre-tokens, and we'll talk about the TGE as well. We're going to do all that in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, their webpage is Kiloex.io. Over there you could find tons of information. They even have a TGE pre-launch trading contest you can get into there. They have tutorials. They have documentation, all sorts of socials. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here, as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at Kiloex_perp. And it was just announced that this token will be live today, March 13th, for pre-market trading, starting at 6 a.m. UTC time, so it is live now on Mexc Global. So if you don't have an Mexc Global account and you're looking to get the Kilo pre-tokens, you can get them on Mexc. All you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the pre-market trading section and search KILO, and then simply just buy the token. So pre-market trading is an over-the-counter service offered by Mexc that allows users to buy and sell new tokens before they're officially listed on the exchange. And this service lets traders set preferred prices and find matching trades, providing an opportunity to trade at favorable prices before the public launch. So there's a total supply of 1 billion Kilo tokens. It is the next generation of user-friendly perpetual decentralized exchange on BNB, Opbnb, Base, and Manta, full integration with Lstfi. So this token also has their TGE announcement in their pinned tweet. So along with the pre-market trading starting today, March 13th on Mexc Global, the token generation event, the full listing on Mexc, will take place March 17th. So you'll be able to get the pre-tokens today. The full token will be available March 17th. And you can see this is a huge project, 277,000 Twitter followers. And yeah, so what is the project all about? They also have a Discord, Medium, a bunch of different Telegrams in all different languages that you could check out as well. Those are all on their webpage. So welcome to Kiloex, the decentralized exchange that offers the best of both worlds. Our platform provides traders with lightning-fast trades, real-time tracking of market activity, and an intuitive trading experience while offering liquidity providers risk-neutral positions and LP-friendly solutions. At Kiloex, we believe that traders and liquidity providers alike should have the freedom and security to take control of their trades and investments. Join the revolution of decentralized trading today on Kiloex, where trading meets risk management. So the protocol revolves around the ecosystem's utility token, ticker symbol Kilo, and Kiloex escrow tokens XKilo. The total supply is 1 billion. The initial supply will be determined based on the token generation event and community airdrops to early whitelisted users. 34% of the tokens will go to the ecosystem vested linearly in 4 years. 10% will be airdropped to the loyal users. 10% will provide future staking rewards and be vested for 4 years. 20% of the tokens will go to the team and future expansion plan, and that will be vested in 3 years with a 1-year cliff. And 10% will go to the private sale, vested for 3 years, 1-year cliff. 10% strategic investment, vested 3 years, 1-year cliff. 5% to advisors, vested 3-year, 1-year cliff. And lastly, 1% of the tokens will go to the liquidity provider. So they do have a roadmap, starting with contract audit, decentralized referral, multi-language support, mainnet launch. Then secondary audit, email notification, mobile terminal support, light and darkness version, community token listing, Opbnb mainnet launch, Manta Pacific mainnet launch, referral system upgrade, raffle game, OAT system upgrade, Takeo mainnet launch, one-click trading, TPSL system upgrade, stake LSTs in Side Vault and API SDK. Then we have the ecosystem partnership page, fee discount coupon and Kiloex Genesis Pass, hybrid vault, B2 mainnet launch, and then Forex trading comes out. Then the TG mini app, multi-affiliate operation system, base mainnet launch, vault aggregator, crypto margin derivatives trading, AI trading assistance, Barachain mainnet launch, AI-driven hedging optimization, and spot decentralized exchange. And then lastly, Q2 2025, the hybrid margin trading, copy trading, mobile app, and gasless trading. So XKilo is the illiquid and non-transferable token, but can be used through revenue sharing. And in the future, on approved contracts providing additional usages, users can mint XKilo tokens 1-to-1 with their Kilo tokens. Staking XKilo will split trading fees and gain VIP privileges. So XKilo will also be used for incentivizing users and partners during the operational activities, as well as for vaults and other purposes. So go check out the Kilo token. You can find all the info at docs.kiloex.io. And you'll be able to find this token, the pre-tokens, live today on Mexc. And then the full token will be available on the 17th. So go check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.